of Vintar. And now we're gearing up for the first round of competition. It's all about poise, grace, and fitness as our contestants showcase swimsuits crafted by Ilocano brand Shell Philippines, featuring their beauty against the stunning Madongan Dam. This is Miss Ilocos Norte 2024 Swimsuit Competition. And we begin with Adams.
She is a 19-year-old student currently pursuing a degree in nursing at Northwestern University.
Bakara.
She is a 19-year-old psychology student whose academic journey is complemented by her talent in singing.
Badok.
She is a 21-year-old student enrolled in the Tourism Management program of Mariano Marcos State University.
Bangi.
She is a 19-year-old student currently pursuing a degree in veterinary medicine.
Banna.
She is a 19-year-old nursing student at Mariano Marcos State University.
Batak City.
She recently graduated with a degree in communications and now works as a virtual assistant.
Burgos.
She is a talented 22-year-old nursing student at Mariano Marcos State University.
Karasi.
She is a 21-year-old criminology student at Data Center College of Philippines, Laoag.
Odimao.
She is a 20-year-old band vocalist.
Tingras.
She is a 17-year-old high school student who has an extraordinary talent for both dancing and drawing.
Dumalneg.
She is a stunning 18-year-old high school student at Dumalneg National High School.
Laoag City.
She is an 18-year-old student leader at the International School of Arts, Languages, and the Academy.
Marcos.
She is a captivating 21-year-old student of tourism management at Mariano Marcos State University.
Nueva Era.
She is a talented 22-year-old pursuing a degree in hospitality management.
Pagudpud.
She is a 23-year-old marketing graduate of Lancaster University in the UK.
Pawai.
She is a poised and passionate 19-year-old currently pursuing a degree in biology.
Masukin.
She is a vibrant 18-year-old student at Davila National High School.
Pitig.
She is an 18-year-old and currently studying for her nursing degree at Northwestern University.
Pinili.
She is a 23-year-old Ilocana with a degree in criminology.
San Nicolas.
She is a radiant 20-year-old pursuing a degree in industrial technology.
Sarat.
She is a dazzling 18-year-old student at SCI College of Laoag.
Solsona.
She is a 22-year-old student pursuing a degree in secondary education.
Vintar.
She is a graceful 18-year-old pursuing her nursing degree at Northern Christian College.
Adams, Bacana, Badok, Bangi, Banna, Batak City, Burgos, Karasi, Curimao, Dingras, Tumalneg, Laoag City, Marcos, Nueva Era, Pagudpud, Paway, Pasukin, Pintig, Pinili, San Nicolas, Sarat, Solsona, Pintar.